So guys, I want to talk about how you can make money with affiliate program. This this is what a lot of people are trying to do, but they are not really getting it right. So when it comes to you making money with affiliate program, first you need to understand what is affiliate program, what affiliate program is. So when you don't understand what affiliate program is, you are going to fail. So affiliate program for me is like you are trying to solve problem that people are looking for. So that is what I understand as an affiliate program. It's like, let us say for example, there's somebody who is fat and this person wants to lose weight. So you is the person that is going to go and do a research about a product that can solve the problem of those person that is fat. And that is what I call affiliate program, because what you are trying to do is to give information about what the product can do, and this person that is looking for it can decide if he want to test the product or he don't want to. That is the simple way that I can explain it to you to understand what affiliate program is. If you want to like put in full time, you want to just put your full time to start making money with affiliate program, you want to start it as a full-time job, what I am recommending to those kind of people is that first you need to create your website. Have your website with your name, not just using any random name or go and look for kind of a product name, or just use your name. If your name is John, use John. If your name is Chris, use Chris. If your name is Godspower, use Godspower. It's very, very important. This is making you to stand out from other company. It's like this is somebody who is trying to solve people problem or anyone problem. Because let us say for example, I am somebody who is looking for a way to make money online. So I will just go to www.ugodspower.com and the website is going to open, and I'm going to find a bunch of ways that I can use to make money online. So this is information I'm getting from this platform, and this person, which is Godspower Ugiagbe, is giving this information constantly in different strategy. So that is why I said you should just focus on creating your own website so that you'll be able to write about any type of product. You can promote like physical product, digital products, health products. So you can talk about a lot of things on the platform. You need to separate it so that everyone that is visiting that your blog will understand that, okay, I am looking for how to make money online. Everything that they are going to see when they click on your blog is going to be things about how to lose weight or how to make money. So you just need to focus on that one particular niche. When it comes to you writing a blog for a product or a service that you are trying to promote, what is important is keyword research. So do proper keyword research to see what are people really looking for in this particular product. What are the answer? What are the things that people are searching for? This is going to help you to understand the type of articles you are going to write to convince this type of people that is going to make them to take action to buy the product. That is when you are going to insert your affiliate link, and if they buy as a happy customer or happy visitor, you are going to make money. That is how affiliate program work. But a lot of time people are getting it wrong just by pasting link from one page at the other, and they are expecting to make money online. So if you have this simple idea that I just talked about, you will find yourself making $100 to $200 or $300 every single month as a beginner if you want to make money with affiliate program. It's very simple. There is no logic